But let's learn about how to generate bleak, compelling ideas for content creation. What the first thing that you need to focus it is generating good ideas, because this is the backbone of successful content creation. This will help you to stand out, keep your audience engaged, and provide value that resonates. For example, think of a popular YouTube creator who consistently comes up with new video ideas that attract millions of views. This consistency in creative ideation is their key to success. So what are different techniques for brainstorming? In idea generation, what it could be creating the mind map, wherein a visual map of your main topic in the center and branches are reaching out to the related subtopics. This helps you to visualize connections between different ideas. For example, if your main topic is healthy eating, subtopics could include meal preparation, nutrition tips, and healthy recipes. Each of these can further branch into more specific content. Also, free writing, wherein you set a timer for 10 minutes and write down all the ideas that come to mind about specific topic without stopping or censoring yourself. For example, for a travel blog, you might write about top destination travel hacks, budget travels, and more. Also, there is a method called Scamper, wherein it involves asking questions about your existing ideas. The substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to other use, eliminate, and reverse. For example, if your idea is to create a cooking tutorial, Scamper can help you explore variations like substitute ingredients for dietary restrictions or combine cooking with fitness tips. Also, there are certain tools which can help you generate ideas. These are websites and apps which will help you learn and become a better content creator. Trello, which organizes your ideas using boards that visualize your content pipeline. MindMeister, wherein you can create mind maps to visually brainstorm ideas around your niche. Flexzoom, foster creativity with Array and Crazy 8 techniques. Evernote is a great app wherein you can store all your good content ideas for future reference. It will capture your notes and ideas, and Google Keep is also a tool to quick idea capturing and organizing tasks. So, structuring content with pillars and clusters is very important. Now, what do you mean by pillars and clusters? The content pillars are themes that support your niche, while clusters are the related topics where you can expand on each pillar. For example, if you talk about digital marketing, your main pillar can be digital marketing, and your cluster could be SEO strategies, content marketing, social media marketing, email campaign, etc. This structure helps you create diverse range of content while making consistency in your overall message and focus. So how do you create content pillars? Well, it could start by defining 3 to 5 core topics that align with your niche and audience interest. For example, pillar 1 could be workout routine. If you're talking about fitness, this could have clusters of beginners workout, high-intensity workout, home workout, etc. Pillar 2 could be nutrition tips, and the cluster could be meal prep ideas, healthy recipes, supplements, and diets. Pillar 3 could be wellness and mindset, cluster mediation techniques, stress management, sleep optimization. This approach ensures that you have a balanced variety of content while staying within your expertise. Also, while using content clusters to generate ideas, that is you dive deeper into each pillar and explore specific subtopics. For example, SEO writing, you can go to content ideas like how to write SEO-friendly blogs, top SEO tools for writers, or common SEO mistakes for the writers to avoid. So each cluster provides multiple angles for creating in-depth, valuable content and answer your audience questions. Also, you can find trending topics in your niche which would help you bring good content ideas that are not only trending but also have a longer duration of watchability. So search for home work routines on Google Trends. You might discover interest in bodyweight exercise due to the recent lockdown, or maybe due to the recent increase in people going for these kind of activities. Also, aligning trends with your content pillars plays a very important role, wherein a visual representation of aligning trending topics with content pillars in form of crayons and matrix can help you become or bring in more good content. So choose trending topics that fit with your content pillars to maintain consistency with capitalizing your current interest. At the end of the day, your ideation to action is the key. You can create a flowchart wherein you show the process from brainstorming to content creation, your ideas, your content pillars, your clusters, and finally you publish your content. Making content is the comprehensive process wherein you need to integrate different steps all together to bring in the best version to the people.